Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Anafat from techaply. Welcome back to this channel. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, I'm quickly show you how to remove Nokia 105 back cover and replace the full body panel of it. So let's get started. I've just bought a quite cheap, like $1 body panel for my old Nokia phone, and this video I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, first step, you're gonna go and open the back cover of the phone by using your nail and nail it up from the top of the phone. Alright, after that you're gonna go and remove the battery. Make sure before you removing it, just turn off the phone. Next step, you're gonna use a teeny screwdriver to unscrew two little screws here on the phone. Here in this video I don't have a teeny screwdriver, so I'm currently using a nail. Okay, but I still can do it. Alright, here's another one. Alright, so after that you're gonna go and remove the front panel. To remove the front panel, you go on the corner of the phone and just get it out one part and then go round, open those locks of the panel. Just make a little bit comparison between the original panel and the one I just bought. Okay, so the original panel is exactly same size, but the color of the plastic is quite different. It looks like stronger. The Nokia logo text is a little bit bigger. Okay, that's it. Now you can clean your screen, so make sure you have no dots in, and it just put back the panel, the front panel. The reason why I'm just replacing it because the keyboard on this phone is already worn out. So okay, after that you're gonna put the battery back in and restart the phone. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more videos later on. Bye for now.